Welcome to Northern Homestead Indoor Window Garden Update. It's March 31 and it's time for another update. Today I wanted to talk about our window garden that we grow food in here in Canada, just north of Calgary. We grow year-round, as you know, if you have been following us. And it's March 31 today, and it's very cold outside. It's about minus 20, which is below 0 Fahrenheit. It's a cold day, but indoors, as you see, plants are all doing well. Here are our cucumbers. Aren't they fun to see? Yeah. What works so well in this indoor window garden? It is not a greenhouse, it is a window garden. What we did, we took out the south-facing wall of this building and put in windows. Those are recycled windows. And the sun comes always through an angle to us, so it's March, end of March, and we still have most of the sun coming in through the windows. Our roof has no glass. It's just isolated and heavily insulated, like we have lots of insulation. That has been a key. The windows are all double panel windows, and there's still lots of heat loss through the windows. On a day like today, you see they're very moist, and it has been very cold at night. Another thing we did, we raised the floor of this area, and we store quite a bit of water as thermal mass. And this all together has made it possible to grow. We grow now for a few years, and every year it's a little bit better because we just learn how to do it better. We learn how to deal with moisture and with cold better. There's a lot of talk these days in the permaculture community about a passive solar greenhouse, and it's fancy and nice. However, as growers who actually do grow food year-round in such a cold climate, we don't know why you would need a passive solar greenhouse, because as you see here in the neighbor's sunroom, the roof is covered with snow, and that's what it is all winter long. Sometimes it melts because of the heat loss from inside. And here you see another roof from the neighbor's building. There is at least a foot of snow, and I'm sure that our roof has about a foot too. So even if we had glass, there wouldn't be much sunshine coming in. The other thing is, because of the sun angle, so it's in the morning here, and you see there's almost no sun coming in anyways because of the neighboring trees. But once the sun will come in, it will mostly come through the windows. And now, end of March, beginning of April, we lose some of the sunshine because we don't have a glass roof. And I have to be honest with you, I'm very happy about that, because it gets really, really warm in here. And seedlings, not all of them like it. So in the summer we still grow in here, because the sun always comes through an angle. And this growing box along the windows, we have a window on the east, and then all the way on the south, and then a door in the back to the west. So that box is growing year-round. Some of these tomatoes are seeds from tomatoes that I took about in January, I guess. And then I took the old tomatoes out. You can see watch the videos that I made at that time. And these are new seedlings for another year of growing. The tower gardens, we grow them with grow lights because there isn't enough light in the winter. And as I said, a snow-covered roof wouldn't change that. In the summer, these towers go outside and grow there or in our geodesic dome greenhouse. But everything that is closer to the windows grows without grow light, like the cucumber there is doing very well. And it actually has some cucumbers. So yeah, the window garden has been performing really well. It is an alternative to a passive solar greenhouse, and way cheaper to build. Like, you don't need any special building permits because this is just an old building that we converted. Yeah, something to consider if you want to grow in cold climate, far north, year round. Thank you so much for watching. I hope our snow melts and we will have a garden update for the summer. But as you see, my garlic is growing right there under about 2 feet of snow. Thank you. Talk to you later.